twisted parenting is a solution that does not make sense. It's very hard for people to process. How could you do this? But what you did, go explain. Go explain to your counterparts what you did for your kids. It's crazy. You guys are nuts. But we're doing it for a reason, and we have to understand what the reason is and what our goal is. It's not to be their friend. It's not because we believe that every child should have human rights and that they're like adults and we have to respect them. It's not because we accept craziness and insanity. It's because we're healing them by connecting to them. Exactly what you said, what you just said. If you can't connect to somebody, you can't heal them. You have tremendous power as parents. And the truth is we all do as adults in the community. We have tremendous power. And we stop all of our power when we look away from the kid. It's when you bake your eyes into the kid, into the nafshei kshura b'nafshei, and you really attach yourself. The lower they go, you attach low. You have to go lower to attach to them. And the Hashem hasheichin itam b'saych tumasam. Hashem said, I know you need me with you, so if you're b'saych tumasam, I'm prepared. Right? Kol makom shegoyla shchina goyla imahem. Like I said before, Hashem never went to Mitzrayim. But when we needed him in Mitzrayim, he came to Mitzrayim. And we see this in the Torah. We see this concept. And we parents have to be ready to be giving up of ourselves in order to save our children. That's why Hashem gave it to us. It has to be our achrayus. We do it physically. We do it with physical illness, mesiras nefesh that parents have. They don't go to sleep. They sit on a chair in a hospital. They eat, bikur chaylim food and airplane food. Nobody's going to tell them to leave, and they're not going to say, okay, I'll come back in 2 months. They give up their money, their time, their effort. We just got to transfer what we know to kids who are struggling emotionally, psychologically, psychiatrically, and spiritually. And once we do that, the regular Rachmanim b'nei Rachmanim will kick in. The regular chesed that we want to do will kick in. We do chesed. We just have to flick the switch and do what we do naturally for physical illness, to do it for mental issues and spiritual issues. And instead of, mamish, the opposite of saying, I can't look at you when you do that, it's I have to look at you. Because if I don't look at you and you're disconnected, you feel worse, you get worse, the behavior, everything gets worse. So it's the opposite of what people do. Can't look at you when you dress like that. I have to look at you. Right? I can't go into the room when that's going. I have to go into the room. I can't connect to you if you behave that way. I have to behave. It's the exact opposite. It's a challenge. Ikvasa de Mashiach. This is our challenge. We got to connect. So interesting, right? Chabadskers know they leave their community to go out to the whole world to find people and to connect to them to bring them back. And it seems like now Hashem is saying, yeah, I want you to do that in your own home, to leave your comfort zone, right? Leave your comfort zone and save the kids in your families. Instead of the opposite of saying, I'll go to Honolulu and I'll save someone there. I'll go to Siberia, I'll save someone there. But my kid, I can't tolerate because you're rebels and you're anti and you're bums. Instead, it's saying like, no, this is a struggling neshama sent right here into my house. Not just your house, your nephews, your nieces, your cousins, everybody. We all gotta get on the program.